Some of you saw over here, must have been a rat nest, because when I blew it out, a bunch of droppings came out and went everywhere. So I really need. Hi, and welcome back. I think this morning we're gonna finish up the inside of the bed. Got a lot of hand sanding to do around the cracks, try to get all that rust out. We gotta clean back behind that one brace piece there and try those dirt dauber's nest out. But if we haven't do all that, I think I'm gonna put some paint down. It's actually not bad out here at the moment. It's probably in the 50s or so. So we'll put some paint on it and call it done. Via Friday, we might be doing a lot of car pushing. I think we're gonna bring this truck, International, kind of back at an angle and push it probably up against my bench here. Doing that looks like it may actually fit here for the moment. Then we'll got a lot of stuff to move. Anyways, then we'll take it off the dollies, pull the Bronco out, take the Bronco off dollies. I think we're gonna push the Bronco outside and gonna power wash it off, I think. Get all the dust and this nastiness off of it. And then push it back in, or no, leave it out. We'll push the truck back where the Bronco was for now. And there goes the cap. Anyways, push the truck back where the Bronco was, and we'll put it on, I think I got a few jack stands. I don't know if I got 4 of them. Might put, if I only got 2, I'll put it on the passenger side because these tires are still aired up. Anyways, push it over there, put it on jack stands. Then we'll bring the Bronco back in. That way we can maneuver around in here and actually get back to work on the driver's side floor pans. Then you get those tacked in and welded in. And then have to fit the door pillars, and that's where I'm having my issues. May have to have somebody help me with that. But anyways, that's what it looks like to be coming up here pretty quick, is a lot of moving around here. But anyways, enough talking about that. Let's head over there and get that finished out, and the whole bed area will be done as far as rust removal and paint removal. It's heard cat fight. Anyways, let's head over there and get to work. Hopefully that guy won't bother us too much today. He's been real needy with me, trying to jump on me. Anyways, like I said, we'll get back to this. Hand sand in the corners. Hand sand this up here a little bit, best we can. I can't get anything in there to get that down to metal. Sand the rest of this down and this back piece and get all the dirt dauber's nest out of there. And paint the whole thing. And this will be completely in that rust preventative. Like I said, I gotta clean this out next video and push some stuff around. But anyways, let's get this done and I can get to work. Well, looks like we got it. You can tell up there, got some mighty big runs, but I think it'll be okay. Get around there. Doesn't look too bad. Best I could do. At least this is whole bed's done now. Just needs to be cleaned. It looks okay, I guess. Don't know if you saw over here, it must have been a rat nest, because when I blew it out, a bunch of droppings came out and went everywhere. So I really need to clean and sanitize this garage. But got the bed done, so that's good. Well, that's all I got for you today. See you next time.